How are we, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well. And have here three vintage Turner microphones. We have JM plus 2U, plus 2 bass mic, and a Turner Road King 76. And Tim sent me these from Southend-on-Sea over in Essex. And he wants them serviced, cleaned, and changed the mic sockets for blah blah and blah. So what we'll do now is we will get them apart one by one and clean them and replace whatever needs to be replaced, and see where we go from there. So we'll start with the JM plus 2U and see what's going on there. Okay, so we have it apart, and we give that a go clean, or a wash rather. And we have this mercury oxide, it says. Should be 7 volts. I measured it there with the meter. Try and do this one-handed now, which will be good fun. See the meter now, hopefully. There you go. Oh, come on. You do 3 hands at this game sometimes. Right, so there you go, 6.76. These are the screws out of it, 3 original, 1 odd. But that's bound to happen on something this old. So get her sorted out now. We'll get these cleaned as well. Give them a wash. Get all this mank out of them. Right, so we've all that stuff cleaned up. Responded quite well. Even metal polished the mic clip ring. It's just a pity that there's a piece broken off this. If you had the piece, it wouldn't be too bad. You could stick it back together. So yeah, oh, just looking at the battery here, it looks like LR44s. You could stack them. What is that, 7 volts? Yeah, well, we'll have to look into that. But we have this all done. We cleaned the PTT switch and this pot here, and cleaned all the numbers. They're nice and white now. A little bit of the white missing off the number 9. What can you do? It is what it is. Now there is a wire off. This orange wire here. And that goes on there. You can see the remnants. So what I'm going to do, see that wire there is a bit stripped. We'll put a bit of heat shrink on that. What I want to do is I'm going to redo all these connections because they're terrible. Really bad. Like, I'm getting close enough here. Come on now, focus. It's really not good. See the way very sloppy. So we'll neaten all that up, redo it, and then we'll get the wiring done for the plug to suit a Jackson, and we'll test it out on Vincent's Jackson down there. He won't mind. And that'll be that microphone done, and then we'll move on to this one, the Turner plus 2 bass mic. Lovely looking thing, real old school. And we'll finish off then with the Road King 76. Okay, we'll be back. Right, so we have one back together here, and or the JM plus 2U all back together, and we have our wired up 6-pin Jackson. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. 1, 2. So that's 1 out of the 3 done. The thumb wheel, I don't know. It doesn't seem to have much of an effect wherever you have it. Like, it's at 0 there. 1, 2, 1, 2. And it's up full there now at 9. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, check. So not too sure what the deal is there, but the microphone is working anyway. So all fully cleaned up, and 6-pin. So we'll move on to the +2 now and get that sorted out. Okay, so have it all asunder here, and we're just gonna go through now and clean everything and check all the connections. I'll check the contacts on these switches here, or contacts rather. Very old school the way that's done, and the locking mechanism works okay. Well, it does when the top is on. So we'll get that sorted out, get her back together, and get it rigged up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so there she is now, all cleaned and back together and looking well. Came out nice. Give her a good clean, even the feet and everything, so she's good to go. 1, 2, 1, 2, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sounding well, and that was only turned up to 4 or 5, yeah. She's loud. Very hard to do it in this environment because you get the feedback. It's very awkward. But right, so that's that one out of the way. We'll move on to the Road King 76. And you wanted this wired up unit in, which we've done. So it sounds good. So it's going on a Uni-Ace 40 channel UK FM job. So let's see where we are. It's about halfway. Let's see what it sounds like. So it again is almost wide open on the radio. 1, 2, 1, 2, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing. Yeah, so that sounds quite good, and probably sound even better on FM. Let's try it in FM. FM. Put this on FM. Oh! No. Let's turn that down a bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, check. 1, 2. Yeah, so that's the result. So all 3 of them sorted out now and ready to go home, Tim. Get this edited together, and I'll have been in touch with you at this stage by the time you see this. So thanks for sending them over, and they all turned out fine, all working well, and we'll get you in the next one. 73s.